Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Olivier and Alima. Recently, I discovered a method on how to make more sales on Mesh by Amazon. This is what I want to discuss with you today. First of all, if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Oliver, and we are bringing you tips and tricks on how to make money online with print on demand. As you already know, the competition on standard t-shirt is pretty high. Everyone is jumping into it. All design, all video that you're gonna find on YouTube for about Mesh by Amazon are talking about how to create design for standard t-shirts. As you know, Mesh by Amazon have other product as well. And the product I'm gonna focus on today are the pop socket grips, the iPhone, the Samsung cases, the tote bag, and the throw pillow. If I go to a research tool like 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗖𝗢𝗗𝗘 and I go to the research tab, I click on the phone cases, I move the BSR range to the maximum when I click on the search. You're gonna see that we can see, for example, this iPhone case here, which is a checkered iPhone case, the brown checkered case with a BSR of 6,473. If I go to a BSR research tool, like the Jungle School research tool, you're gonna find out that for a BSR of 6,473 on the category of cell phone and accessory, these phone cases is making an average 660 sales per month with a royalty of around $2. This means that this product is making more than $1,000 per month. Only this product. And we can see that all of these one here are making sales. If I taking even an average year of 30,000 BSR and I enter it here, 30,000, and I click on the estimate, this one is making 90 sales. Let's say 100 per $2. This is $200 for a product like that. So this is definitely an amount that is good for me. I would like to have those 1,000 or even those $200 per month on top of my sales. So I'm going to show you how you can find design idea to create. And this is pretty simple, as I just did. 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗖𝗢𝗗𝗘 Pro Plus or any other research tool, or even if you want to go on the free method, you go directly to Amazon and look for iPhone cases or Samsung cases. You're going to find design. But we're going to focus on the pattern because I can see that the pattern are pretty easy to do. Okay, checkered pattern or even here autumn pattern. All you have to do is to go to a website like 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗖𝗢𝗗𝗘 and you check in and you type in here checkered. Okay, type in checkered and I click on this bundle. And if I open the bundle, you can see pretty much a lot of colors here of pattern, checkered pattern that you can use to create your design. Let's take an example. I open here Mesh by Amazon. I'm going to create a new design here for the sake of this video. And I have already, for the sake of the time, downloaded a few items, a few design pattern. All you have to do is to click here on the product. I'm going to remove all of them and select only the throw pillow, tote bag, Samsung case, iPhone case, and phone pop socket. Click on the continue, and I'm going to upload now the pattern that I just selected. Select this one. I go to my pop socket grip. I click on this fill, and as you can see, the grip is pretty good. iPhone case, same thing. I enlarge it. You can see here it's good. On the Samsung, feel again, it's good. I go to the tote bag, feel again, and I can see the tote bag is pretty beautiful. Throw pillow, same thing here, pretty good. All I have to do now is to just create my title, bullet, etc. So now you rinse and repeat. You check again here on this case here, autumn. You can copy that. Go again to 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗖𝗢𝗗𝗘. Type in here autumn and you're gonna see bundle, and why not autumn pattern, bundle, and you're gonna find a lot of pattern like this one, for example, that you can use to create your pop socket, your phone cases, etc. So this is rinse and repeat. Don't underestimate the other category, because we have to remember that Amazon, this big Amazon that we all know, decided to have on stock those products So who are we to say that these are not making sales? I'm pretty sure that you will that you will have success if you are doing it. This is what I did recently, and I saw an increase in my sales. This is what I wanted to share with you today. If you find any value, please consider like and subscribe and activate the notification bell for any further video. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.